You might be surprised to know that a large number of injuries at home are caused by falls from ladders. Well, that's not going to happen to me, because I've got one of these. It's the Ryobi 18V 1 Plus 8-inch oil-free pole pruner. It's a big title for a mini chainsaw. What's even bigger is its reach, up to 2.9 metres while keeping both feet planted firmly on the ground. This pruner doesn't need oiling. No mess, no fuss. It's practically maintenance free. It has a chain speed of 4.5 metres per second and has side axis chain tensioning to keep it performing at its best. When bought in a kit, it also has a 2-amp battery and charger. Another great benefit is that it's part of Ryobi's Easy Reach system, which means other attachments are available that fit this pole. Job done. And my feet didn't even leave the ground.
Ryobi, a cut above.